Hello and welcome back to Keep It Second World. A few years after I got this one, the GPD Win Mini 2, still in repair. I got just now the quite rare display cable. I got another package. And this time it seems to be a bit more up to date. We got, I think, like a special add-on box. So here we have the grip, which now snaps directly into in the new GPD Win Mini 2025 edition. And here is the main star of the show. Oh, also with a European power adapter for the most probably not standard for us here plug. And here, as mentioned, is the main star of the show. The recent GPD Win Mini, the newest model of the line. As you can see, at this time I wasn't trying to save out and I got a little bit the bigger version, and this seems to be also sent out a bit earlier. So as we have now a look inside, we see I was also with the color this time a bit more picky, and I got to choose for the white version. So here we are. And we have here nicely attacked, as you can see here. This is not an European plug. And here we are. 1 second, let me shortly show you the old time. Short pause. And here is the beauty after I got 2 hands free. As you can see, it did quite grow a little bit over the old times. In the old version, the GPD Win Mini 2 fits easily onto it. But yeah, it packs a little bit more power. As you can see, we have here a little bit the usual clamshell design, which I quite love. And yeah, quite nice with the optics. We have here the white version of the GPD Win Mini. The most recent version. Let's hope they charge the battery. Or if there starts up the logo. Yeah, as you can see, we have a really nice design. I think the white blend quite in. Yeah. The ports, even the switch, everything has been adjusted to white. Maybe only now the hand grip, maybe I have to 3D print something, now stands a little bit out. So this one doesn't really fit to the white version, but let's see. Maybe I can find out something. Yeah, and as you have now here in all angles slowly. We got here the special button for, I think this one is moved for the 2025 version, as I heard. There we got all the back ports with this time 2 times USB-C, one is a USB 4, and there also a good old micro SD card slot where I have already a card, 1.5 terabyte card waiting. There's a Windows startup sound and a nice USB 3 big port, and the good old headphone jack, which is eliminated nowadays from most of the main manufacturers' smartphones. And there we are. So we can either choose to go on Chinese, or we have an option to go, for example, in English.
To set up your device using a screen reader, turn on narrator by pressing Windows plus Control plus
we are greeted with the usual Windows blah blah blah. And here I can set up my country. I'm residing in Germany. So we have, for Germans, we have to be a bit patient and scroll a bit down. But yeah, this is the usual Windows setup, blah, blah, blah. This is not so exciting, but I think already the touchpad is a nice addition. And yeah, we have to stick with the English keyboard, as you can see, QWERTY. And then we can go on. As I show now, we are also with the touchscreen. There we have a little Wi-Fi. You won't guess my password, I think so. Just a funny German name for the insiders. Oh, I got the wrong one. Somehow it switched last second. And here we are. Yeah, this is the usual, I think, quite boring Windows setup, blah, blah. Maybe I don't need to show you it. Yeah, maybe I come back later to you with a nicer more view. But yeah, as for now, as you can see, the air intakes are there. There's even a Dolby DTS certification. Yeah, the memory and storage is mentioned here again. You can use quite beefy power supply with 20 volts and 3.25 amps. So I have to get one out, or I try to stick with the supplied one. And yeah, so this is for the beginning. The model, I think I quite like it. I like the analog triggers for the first test. And yeah, the D-pad is also more the PS Vita style. This is also quite nice. We got here several menu action buttons. And yeah, so yeah, I think this device is even cold from the outside. We are having here in Germany down to -12 in the night, -6 degrees. So yeah, it's a bit cool. So maybe it needs to get first used here to the room temperature. But yeah, otherwise it seems to look nice.